Rebuilding Together Saratoga County is a nonprofit that provides critical home repairs to folks in need. Low-income homeowners who are elderly, disabled, veterans, families with young children. We're going to help them remain in their home, help them fix their home now so they can stay there.
What makes this program great is that it's a community of individuals coming together to help out homeowners in need within Saratoga County.
We get calls every day from folks who are in need. They're stressed, they're emotionally just distraught. I had a homeowner who was going to the river to pick up in buckets, to grab water from the river to bring it into her house, and we assisted her with plumbing. Elderly folks who are afraid to get in the shower because they're afraid of falling, and people who can't get out of their house to go to doctor's appointments, but they need a ramp. So those are all typical calls we get all the time.
My name is Rudy Tomasic, and I've been a volunteer with Rebuilding Together Saratoga for about 12 years. I enjoy doing the sawdust therapy, and it means more to me than our clients. I really get a lot of joy in giving my talents to building decks and ramps for the handicapped and veterans.
I was introduced to the program about 3 or 4 years ago, and I really believe in what they're doing. We try and solve everybody's problem to give them mobility and self-respect.
I feel like we've really made a difference in people's homes. The volunteers, the contractors, all the donors and sponsors have really made a difference in many folks being able to remain in their home in a warm and safe manner. I wanted to do a special shout out to all the volunteers, hundreds and hundreds of volunteers who come out every year. Every year since 2004, they've come out and they've assisted their neighbors in need, and they are the backbone of what Rebuilding Together is all about. So thank you to all those volunteers. We are neighbors helping neighbors, making sure that every person in our community has a safe and healthy home to live in.